Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to contact Uber customer service in 2025. So this is going to be a full guide on this. So make sure you watch it till the end to learn everything about this. First of all, open any browser on your mobile phone, go to the search bar, type in contact Uber customer service. It will show up some search results. We'll have to click on the one that says help.uber.com, Uber help. Click on this link and it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to click on the login icon at the top and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you'll be on this page. On this page, you'll have to choose what kind of customer service you are looking for. So you can explore support resources for the relevant products below to find the best way to reach out about your issue. For example, you could need customer service support for Uber rides, driving or delivering, Uber Eats, merchant and restaurants, bikes and scooters, Uber for business, and freight. So Uber has a lot of services to offer. Choose the one in which you are experiencing problem and want to contact support. For example, I will choose Uber Riders. I will click on Riders. It will take me to this page where I can scroll down and click on Help with a Trip. Now, you'll have to simply choose the trip which with you want help. Now, scroll down and click on Get Ride Help. Now you'll be taken to the support page where you can easily contact and ask your questions. As you can see, you can type in help with something else. Now, they will give you some options to choose. You can choose something else or you can choose from all those options. For example, you can choose cancellation and choose anything you want like review cancellation fee, dispute my cancellation fee and different options. Now you can click on your name at the top and choose another option. For example, I will choose Uber Eats. Now it will take me to my Uber Eats where I can click on continue in browser, click on three-line icon at the top left. Now I scroll down, click on help option. After you click on help, it will take you to this page where you'll have to scroll down and choose help with an order. Now choose ongoing order, past order or safety. You can choose any of the option and get help with any option you want. Now, you can also go to the search bar and type in contact Uber customer service, hit enter. Now, this is the number that you can call for reaching out to Uber customer service. You can also click on contact support button that will appear just right here and choose to email or call them. Click on call us and that will show their number through which you can easily call the customer support. And when you click on email, you'll be given the email to get connected with Uber help. So these were the ways through which you can contact Uber customer service in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.